In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use JungleScout's product analytics for better decisions. If you've been looking to optimize your product research, find profitable opportunities, and make smarter decisions, this tool is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate and leverage this powerful feature to boost your sales strategy. JungleScout's product analytics feature is a game changer for anyone involved in e-commerce, especially if you're using Amazon as a platform. It offers detailed insights into product performance across multiple categories, which means you can make smarter decisions about what to sell, how to price, and which products have the most potential for growth. And the best part? You can use it for free through our exclusive link below, which includes a special bonus. Let's dive right into how to use JungleScout's product analytics. When you open up the dashboard, you'll be able to see a comprehensive overview of product performance. First, you'll notice the product database, which allows you to filter through thousands of products based on your criteria, like price, category, sales volume, and more. This is your starting point for research. You'll want to use these filters strategically to hone in on products with high demand but relatively low competition. One of the key features here is the sales estimator. This tool provides a clear view of how well a product is selling based on recent sales data. By using the sales estimator, you can get a sense of whether a product is trending upwards or if it's starting to plateau. This is extremely valuable, especially when you're looking to launch a new product or expand your product range. You'll want to know if the market is still hot for your chosen product or if it's already saturated. Another standout feature of JungleScout's product analytics is the product tracking tool. This tool allows you to monitor specific products over time to see how their sales are performing. It's great for tracking trends and adjusting your strategy accordingly. You can compare multiple products to see which ones are performing better and adjust your inventory or marketing efforts to focus on the winners. And if you're looking to optimize pricing, JungleScout's product analytics has you covered. The price tracker feature tracks the pricing history of products, so you can identify the right pricing strategy based on the competition. This can help you stay competitive while maintaining profitability. It's essential to stay on top of price changes in your niche, and this feature makes it incredibly easy. If you've been struggling with decision-making in your e-commerce business, JungleScout's product analytics is here to solve that. Whether you're trying to find profitable products, track competitors, or optimize pricing, these tools make it all easier. Remember, you can try this software for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. To wrap things up, if you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business, JungleScout's product analytics is a must-have. With features like the product database, sales estimator, product tracking, and price tracker, you'll have everything you need to make better, data-driven decisions. Don't forget to take advantage of our extended free trial through the link in the description. That's it for today. Happy selling.